Well, the index provider MSCI has come out with its quarterly review. Now, according to the release on the MSCI website, if you see in the MSCI Global Standard Index, two of the Indian stocks have been added, that is Bank of Baroda and CG Power, while one stock has been removed from the index, and that is Biocon. Now, for CG Power, if you see, analysts are expecting the weightage to be close to 0.27%, which would lead to an inflow of close to 161 million US dollars, which is nearly 12 times its 20-day average daily volume. And in case of Bank of Baroda, the weightage is expected to be around 0.24%, and the inflows are expected to be to the tune of close to 145 million US dollars, which is nearly 2 times its 20-day average volume. And in case of Biocon, which is going out of the global standard index, the weightage reduction is 0.14%, and the outflow expected by analysts is close to 68 million US dollars, which is nearly 11 times its 20-day average trading volume. However, on the other important part that has MSCI come out, and that is the reduction in Adani Group stocks. Now, they have reduced the weightage of 4 of the Adani Group companies because they said that certain investors in the Adani Group companies might not be considered as public investors, and hence that there is a reduction in the free float market cap. Now, they have reduced the weightage of Adani Group stocks by around 0.82 basis points, which according to analysts could lead to an outflow of 428 million US dollars. But do remember that this number of 428 is much below than what the street was expecting a day before when the earlier announcement had come in. Also, none of the Adani stocks that are a part of the MSCI index have been removed from the index. It's just a reduction of weightage that has happened in the Adani Group companies. Now, for Adani Enterprises, they are expecting the weight to reduce by around 0.3 basis points, which could lead to an outflow of 161 million US dollars, which is nearly 0.6 times its 20-day average volume. In case of Adani Transmission and Adani Total Gas, the weightage is coming off by around 0.2 to 0.3 basis points, and the outflow expected is close to 110 to 145 million US dollars. And in case of ACC, the weightage is coming off by only 0.02 basis points, which would lead to an outflow of only 12 million US dollars, which is just 0.3 times its 20-day average daily volume. Now, there are few stocks in which the weightage has also increased, and to name them it is Reliance Industries, HDFC, Infosys, ICICI Bank and TCS, where the weightage have increased by around 0.04 basis points to 0.1 basis points. Apart from this, if you see, MSCI has also added nearly 25 Indian companies in their MSCI Global Small Cap Indexes, and to name a few, GR Infra, Spandana Spurti, Techno Electric, Ion Exchange, all these stocks have been buzzing in trade post the name has come in the global small cap indexes, and we are seeing sharp kind of up move in all the stocks because analysts are expecting some kind of inflows into these companies, which could be in the range of around 2.6 to 7.7 times their 20-day average volume. So do keep an eye out for these stocks as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.